Here we come to the elevators at the Hilton Hotel in downtown Atlanta. Look how many elevator cars there. Wow, look at this. It's like surrounding you. But anyways, these are the famous elevators that were filmed by none other than Diesel Ducey. I'm not sure if it... Trader Vic's is locked. Oh, nice, we got this elevator car right here. This is the elevator that Andrew filmed, his very first video. Oh, nice, it works. All right, here we go. This is gonna be an annual take on this famous, iconic, legendary elevators. This is the elevator car that Andrew has filmed. Here we go.
Executive level. Transfer to the line and point of view.
Unfortunately, the advertisement has partially blocked the view now, unfortunately, so I cannot put it in 4K mode, I'm sorry. But this is the exact elevator car that Andrew has filmed. These are Westinghouse elevators from 1974 with the AE fixtures, if you have seen from Andrew's video from back in 1993. They were modernized in 1999. But these are fast. I'm sorry about the dots in the way, but at least you can still see a view because there's an advertisement placed on the outside of the elevator face. I'm not sure if I can get into the Hyatt Regency because those elevators are key carded. But my gosh, my ears popped. We're gonna get one of those elevator cars, I believe. I think that elevator car is the one Andrew recorded in the second video on these exterior glass elevators. Yes, we got this elevator car that Andrew recorded. This right here is the exterior glass elevator to nickel ice roof. Here we go. The stupid advertisement is very annoying. Yeah, they even cover with ads on this one as well. Sorry I couldn't put in 4K mode. Yep, this is the same exact elevator car Andrew recorded. Goodness, that's loud. Look up in the ceiling. Who do you see? Hi. My gosh, this is like, I'm like literally dreaming. This isn't real. So glad to see these famous elevators once again.
Trader Vic's and Mai Tai Bar. Going up.
Here we go. If it weren't these annoying black dots, I would have definitely switched this thing to 4K mode.
Nikolai 2 at a point of view. Going down.
Back down to LL. See, that's the advertisement I was talking about. See, this right here is the famous view that you all have been seeing. All right, here we are at Trader Vic's.
Trader Vic's and Mai Tai Bar. Going up.
All right, we're gonna end the video on the lobby level. These are your fixtures. They're PTL fixtures. These are Westinghouse from 1974. All right, come have a great day. You're welcome. All right. There they all go, and that's it.